Children, we are coming towards the end of our chapter Presentation Software Special Effects. Today we will cover very important part charts and a slide sort of view that we have done before also. Today we will see it again. So children, we can say that chart is an effective way to display data in graphical and pictorial form. Charts make it easier to show comparison and growth, relationship among the values and trends in data. Charts provide an accurate analysis of data. Click on the Insert Chart icon on the slide from the title content layout. So you can see, children, we can change the layout of the slide to title content first. This is the title content slide, and you can see the Insert Chart option in the text box. So you have to click on the Insert Chart icon. You can also get it from the Insert tab chart icon. So we will just click on the Insert Chart. Here we can get two panes where in the first one you will in the this pane you can get the type of chart available, and towards the right side you will get the how the chart looks. So we are going to select the column chart. Select OK. The chart will be displayed with the data sheet that contains the default data. So this is your default data. When you will put your cursor in the data sheet, it will grow and it will look like a plus sign, as you can see here. When you will put the cursor on the blank cell and click over here, now this is extreme left, and when you will click over here you will be able to see that you can select the whole sheet. Just you have to press the delete key to delete this default data. Okay, now you can create your own chart. Children, chart is a pictorial form of your data. So whatever data you will give in this data sheet, you will be able to see its pictorial form. Like if you will write in the heading Jan, then press the tab key, then type Feb, then the tab key March, and when you will press the enter key you will come to the next row, and here you have to bring your cursor underneath A column and in front of the number 2. Here you will write down food, water bill, then rent, then the last one is electricity bill. You can make it a little white. Now you can see the columns and the rows. You can see January, February and March, and food, water bill, rent. Whatever you are typing on the data sheet, you can see it on your chart. So now we are going to fill the data in this slide. In January month, the expense of food was 800. Then in February, it was 850. And in March, it was 500. So you can see the whatever you are typing over here, you can see the pictorial form, the graphical form in the chart, and you can also analyze your data over here that in March the expense was only 500 rupees, whereas in the month of February the food was maximum. Water bill, if we see that it is 300, then in February it is 500, then in 400, in March it is 400, and rent is same in all the 3 months, and the electricity bill was maximum in January, then in February it was 1000, and in March it was only 900. Okay, so you can see in the chart, the column chart is showing you how much expenses you did in which month. Like in January, the maximum that you have paid is rent, that is 2000. Okay, whereas in February the water bill was highest. So you can make out from the chart whatever data you are feeding into the data sheet. Children, formatting means to change the appearance of the chart to make it attractive. In PowerPoint 2016, whenever you will create a chart, you will be able to see there are two more tabs, Design tab and Format tab. And when you will click on the chart styles, you can change the appearance of this chart. So you can just select the type of chart, the changes that you want to do in your chart. You can see the data that is represented in different ways over here. So it depends upon you how you want your chart to look like. This is the appearance of the chart that you are changing. That means you are changing the formatting of your chart. You are modifying the style of your chart. Children, if we have to change the order of the slides, as you can see in the presentation, there are 5 slides. So we have to go into the slide sorter view. We can go in slide sorter view in 2 ways, from the status bar also and from the view tab also. Here you can see there are 5 slides, and we can drag the slides from one place to another. This is how we change the position of the slide in slide sorter view, that is by dragging them. So children, with that we come to the end of the chapter Presentation Software Special Effects. We have to write down 3 questions. I hope it is easy for you to understand now. What are the benefits of using charts in a presentation? How will you rearrange the slides in a slide sorter view? And the last question of the chapter is write down the use of formatting a chart. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye.